It's over. I'm ending this channel. I've been making music theory and songwriting videos since 2021. I started the channel in order to develop my own understanding, and I've really enjoyed exploring all aspects of music. And from some of your comments, I can see that it's helped you, which is great to hear. But after all these videos and countless hours of effort, I need to move on to something new. Whilst I enjoy talking about music theory, my main interest is in playing guitar and thinking about different ways to use the instrument. And frankly, the views I now get on this channel don't justify the amount of effort it takes to produce the videos. The sad reality is that the world of information is changing with AI, and I need to mix things up. So it's the end of this channel, but I've got somewhere for you to go if you play guitar. Over the last few years, despite focusing on music theory, I've been neglecting my guitar playing. I've not had the time and focus to work on the instrument. But at the back of my mind, I've always wanted to push myself and see how good I could get at playing. And as I get older, I feel like I almost have to prove something to myself. So I'm going all in by starting a guitar-focused channel. I want to help people like me who play guitar when they were younger, but have had a long break for whatever reason. To do this, I'm going to start learning and practicing the guitar again. And this direct experience will inform the videos, giving you an insight into someone who's in the same position as you. This means I can make laser-focused videos to help you actually play more with less pain and more progress. I'll provide honest reflections of how long things take to master and the difficulties along the way. If you enjoyed the videos on this channel, then don't panic. I'm not deleting anything, and everything that's on here will now stay up as long as people watch it. But it's time for me to move on. The new channel is called Matt Learns Guitar, so if you're looking to get back into guitar or want to keep up with my progress, then move with me now. Click the video on screen or the link in the description to join me.